I am back in my second year hostel room for the last time and we'll be packing this entire room within 1 hour. So here's what you shouldn't do when you're packing your entire life into bags. You'll see me packing everything I own that is in this room in the next hour and learn from my mistakes and not repeat it when you're shifting your hostel room. I'm back for the summer and I'll be staying in campus for an internship and a few subjects that I'm taking up. But yeah, we'll have to deal with that. So let's start. I don't know where to begin, but we'll have to start. My roommate is already gone. अभी तक तो situation under control है I think, because what my plan is to put every individual section in a different polythene ताकि मेरे को वापस दूसरे hostel जाके भी unpack करने में आसानी हो. But let's see how that goes and let's start. Only unboxing I'll be doing. एक्चुअली मैं अपना बाकी सामान जो मैं घर से लाई हूँ उसे लवारिस छोड़ के आई हूँ एक अनजान हॉस्टल में. तो एक्चुअली अगर वो बच जाता है देन इट्स अ मिरेकल. नहीं बचता तो मेरा कई सामान गायब हो जाएगा इंक्लूडिंग माय कछुआ. इसके बिना मेरे को नींद नहीं आती. लेट्स स्टार्ट. लेट्स पुट इन किड्स. आई हैव सो मच टू डू. आई नीड टू पुट एन अलार्म ताकि मेरे पे थोड़ा सा ना मेंटल प्रेशर पड़े. मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खा रखा है. 2 बज चुके हैं. बट वी पावर थ्रू विच इज 1 hour to get this room into poly bags. I'll do it. I'm also delusional. I already want to give up and मेरी एक पॉलिथीन भी नहीं भरी है अभी. मेरे को स्नैक ब्रेक लेना चाहिए. अब मैं ज़मीन पे बैठ के अपना सामान सारा इसमें डाल रही हूँ ताकि we go 1 bag down at least. Send hopes and prayers for me and my kids. So independent. मेरी मम्मी कह रही थी मैं तेरे को छोड़ने चलती हूँ. मैंने कहा no mother. 20-year-old independent woman. I miss my mother now. 1 bag down, 50 to go. Now we'll be tackling the miscellaneous items. I'm not leaving this penguin behind. You are coming with me, bitch. Hook था. ये थोड़ा मेरे को लगता है हैंडल विथ केयर आइटम्स आ गई हैं. मेरी जैसी होंगी ना यार. शीशा बैग में ले जाती हूँ तोड़ दूँगा. अब एक ही बार निकलूंगी मैं इस कमरे से जब मेरा सारा सामान बॉक्सेस में होगा. I'll have all my life's belonging. Iced tea box, not cocaine. I wish I had this much cocaine, then I won't be studying. I would be selling it. All jokes, Papa.
It expired in August.
In August
of 2012.
Yeah, whatever that saying was. प्लीज मेरे को ना ग्लैमरस लाइफ दिखानी थी अपनी इस चैनल पे. मजदूरी गिरी नहीं. I just heard a knock from my washroom door and no one is in the other room, so I will not be opening it again. And I work like a dog day and night, living off of coffee on a porch. None of you wanna touch. I hope ये पॉलिथीन कोई टूट के मेरी बेइज्जती ना कराए सड़क पे. It's time for the most difficult part. I really want to create a cool time lapse shot, but I'm really running low on time. So I look busted as hell, but that's because I just packed my whole entire life into polythenes. And I think we're done with the most difficult part. My cupboard is almost empty. I just have to pack my vanity and my books, the most 2 important things of life, looking good and being educated. Now it's time to take these off. I'll put it somewhere you can see. Am I visible? Yeah. I just remembered. मेरी कबर्ड पूरी खाली नहीं हुई है, एक ड्रॉर पूरा है जिसको मैंने टच नहीं करा. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So we'll power through. This drawer is what we have to, and this is what I'll fill all of this in and segregate it later. If I ever do. We are on the 31st minute on our 1 hour timer, and I found important notes from this semester. Why do I have so many fake notes? I know why. मैं ऐसे डांस करते हुए इस तरह क्यों उड़ाती हूँ. कॉलेज सोसाइटी आईडी जिसमें अब मैं जाती ही नहीं. But we'll still keep it for a memory. This drawer is also empty. Wow, nicer words you might be thinking. But it's nothing. मेरे हालात, मेरी दशा देख के हमें एक दो सीखें मिलती हैं, which I will tell you. One, if your mother is telling कि बेटा मैं छोड़ने चलती हूँ, तो don't give her the I am an independent adult bullshit. Just tell her yes thanks mother, ताकि आपको ऐसा सब खुद ना करना पड़े. Also, don't kill yourself and eat something. It's 3 p.m. and I haven't had anything. And मेरी भूख मर चुकी है honestly. We will be packing my beloved vanity in this box. Shoes on the bed because I don't care anymore. मेरा सामान थोड़ा सा मैं रखा ही नीचे, बाकी मेरे को पैक करना है, थोड़ा सा मेरे को और पहुंचाना है, फिर इन सबको दूसरे हॉस्टल पहुंचाना है. Why do I choose the hardest path? कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता मेरे को, पेरेंट्स को लेके आना चाहिए था. Don't be like me kids, take help. Another one down. एक बार ही जिम करा होगा मैंने ये जिम बैग ले जाके, and now I have another thing to pack. I'm so tired. The only things to pack is my bedsheet, pillow, and my books. We can do it. And फिर इन सबको नीचे पहुंचाना है, and फिर दूसरा हॉस्टल में पहुंचाना है, and फिर मेरे को खुद को नहीं मारना है. Too hard. Last part is too hard. I really want to be one of those people जो रील बनाते हैं, so clean the house, clean the drawers वाले गाने पे. But मेरे को क्लीन करने में जो मौत आती है, तो I don't think I can. सोच रही हूँ एस्थेटिक के बैकग्राउंड में गाना वही चला लूँ. नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर पक्का बनाऊंगी वही रील. I have to take out saman from my bed also. I completely forgot about it. Why am I such a hoarder? Why can't I live with 2 suitcases? I have never been this physically exerted over a task. I just transported 10 bags from my room to the ground floor. My room is on the 3rd floor. I used the lift, but still it was so physically tormenting. And I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags to transport. How did I hoard this amount of stuff? Please, anyone who's going to college and have to transport without their own vehicle, please don't be a hoarder. All my polythenes are finished. All my bags are packed. I just need to make like 3 more rounds to the ground floor until I officially leave this room. And I'm gonna vlog it all. Yay! खुद से sound effect, खुद से ही. Final stretch, bitches. Wish me luck. Finally, up when I leave this room, I won't be coming back. I have my 1 bag and 2 box. 2 चीजें हैं मेरे पास. So, end of 2nd year. Congratulations to me for not killing myself and surviving. This is my clean the house, clear the drawers moment, which won't last more than 2 minutes because I have to rush. I'm already very, very, very late. But this was fun. I could do this on my own. Thanks. Wish me luck. And goodbye. See you in new hostel room for the summer. Making more vlogs. Bye. See you in next vlog. We're in new hostel room. We have to deal with all this. Start the majdoori. My bed. My kids. I get the ick to watch people dancing on Instagram, but I can dance in my room and post it on YouTube, and it's not the same. Hello, bitches. कि तुम ऑल्ट है सिंगल 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 ते मैं भी सिंगल 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 went from Taylor Swift to DHH to Sabrina Carpenter to My Labubu. नहीं 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 useless, but there's a cuter word for it. I know. मैं ना ऐसे फेमस हो गई ना तो फिर ये सब्सक्राइबर्स ओनली वो बनाऊंगी यूट्यूब. अगर मेरे को 100 लोग भी मिल गए ना वो ज्वाइन करने के लिए, ऐसी कंट्रोवर्शियल बातें बोलूंगी जो मैं अभी बोलते बोलते चुप हो जाती हूँ. ओके स्टोरी टाइम. स्टोरी टाइम. आई ऑलमोस्ट फॉरगॉट ये बात बताना.